Brianna Williams is an American-born Jamaican female sprinter. She was born on March 21, 2002 in Miami, Florida, United States. She is the daughter of Sharon Simpson and Stephen Williams. She was the world age 15 record holder and the Jamaican junior record holder in both the women's 100 meters and 200 meters. She earned gold medals in the 100 meters, the 200 meters and the 4 into 100 meters relay at the 2018 Carifta Games in the under-17 category, setting championship records in the 100 meters and 4 into 100 meters relay, earning her the Games Austin Sile Award. Her 11.02 seconds personal best from earlier that June, set at the Great Southwest Classic in Albuquerque, New Mexico, remains the Jamaican junior record. Her 11.10 second personal best before that, set at the JAC Open in Jacksonville, Florida a week later, was also the Jamaican junior record at the date of setting. She became the youngest girl ever to win both the 100 meters and the 200 meters at the 2018 IAAF World Under-20 Championships in Tampere. Her personal best before that, 11.13 seconds set in March 2018, is the world age 15 record. Williams ran 10.94 seconds in the 100-meter final at the Jamaica Championships on 21 June 2019, which would have set the world youth under-18 best time and improved her Jamaican junior record. At the 2019 Carifta Games, Williams again tripled in the 100-meter, 200-meter and 4 into 100-meter relay to win 3 gold medals in the under-20 category and was the first Jamaican to earn the Games Austin Sile Award 2 years in a row since Usain Bolt in 2004. For her athletics achievements in 2018, she was nominated for the IAAF Female Rising Star and the Laureus Breakthrough of the Year awards.